Let's make a Lemon Drop Rumtini number 2. To make this drink, we are going to start by rimming the glass, and traditional for a rumtini of any sort, a lemon drop rumtini as well, is going to be a cocktail glass, sometimes called a martini glass. I'm going to start by putting a little bit of lime juice on the rim. I'm going to do this without getting stuff on the inside. Or lemon juice. Then run that through the sugar. And I'm not brilliant at rimming glasses. I'll get better as time goes on, I'm sure. Not too bad. Okay, let's get a little bit right there. A little bit right there. That's not too bad. All right, I'm going to set this aside. And I'm going to set these forward. Get my shaker. And we're going to start with my simple syrup. 3/4 ounces of your simple, oh, that's your lime juice. Lemon juice, I keep saying lime juice. 3/4 ounce of 1:1 simple syrup. 3/4 ounce is 22.5 milliliters. And I do make my own simple syrup. Recipes on the channel. Link will be down below if you want to check it out. Now, lemon juice, 1 ounce, which is 30 milliliters. And note that there is a lot of variation in the proportions between the lemon juice and the simple syrup. Feel free to adjust to your taste. 1/2 ounce of your triple sec or your orange liqueur. 1/2 ounce is 15 milliliters. And finally your rum. 2 ounces of your rum. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. Add some ice and give it a shake. Bring our glass back, and I'm going to double strain this into our glass. And the garnish is traditionally a twist of lemon. So I'm going to express. I'm not going to wipe. I may double express just because, but I'm going to twist and try to float that on the edge, and it's going to fall off one way or the other. Yep, there it goes. And there you have it, the Lemon Drop Rumtini number 2. Drink with good spirits.